Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to set an email signature in Hostinger that will look like this. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger email inbox. Then click on settings. Then click on identities. Select the Hostinger email address that you want to set as an email signature for, like that. And here you will see signature. Here delete this default signature and you can set your own signature here. Click on, of course, you can customize your signature using this text editor. You can make something bold, italic, underlined, centered. You can also use multiple text fonts. You can customize this text size or this signature text size, the color. Also, I'm not sure on, yes, the color over or the text background color. And you can also add an email. Yes, not an email. You can also add a link or an image to your, let's add an image here. Here you need to upload your image and your photo should not exceed 64 kilobytes. Photo added, click on save, and just like that your new photo will be added here. Click on save, and now let's test this new email signature by sending a message to myself. Click on send message. Now, as you see, my new email signature looking good, and this is how to set an email signature in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.